Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Steam account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in store.steampowered.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Steam website. If you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner and you will now be taken into the login portal where you can type in your email address and your password to proceed forward to log in. Now, if you wish to change your password within your account, click on your username at the top right corner and then click on account details. Now on this page, scroll down and within account security, you will find the change my password button. Just click on this option and you will now see the option to verify your identity. You can choose the email option, and if you have added a phone number, you may choose this as well. After choosing the option, you will be asked to check your inbox or your SMS to find the verification code. So just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Just type in this code within the given box and then click on the continue button. And now you will be allowed to change your password. Type in your desired password within the change my password box and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, click on the change password button and now your password will successfully be changed. And you can now click on the sign into Steam option to proceed forward with logging in using your newly set credentials. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.